In a small, quiet village, a young boy named Ravi held a big dream in his heart: to become a teacher. His family was poor, so proper schooling was a luxury they couldn't afford. But Ravi's spirit was anything but poor. Every single evening, as twilight settled over the village, he would sit under the shade of a large banyan tree. His only companion was a small, flickering lantern, its gentle glow illuminating the pages of his worn-out books. Despite the odds stacked against him, Ravi was filled with a quiet determination. He was a hard worker, and he believed in his dream. Then one day, a whisper of hope spread through the village. The local school announced a scholarship exam, a golden ticket for children like Ravi. A jolt of excitement, quickly followed by a wave of nervousness, washed over Ravi. How could he compete? The other children had stacks of new books and access to private coaching. He looked at his single lantern and his handful of tattered books. Was his effort, his silent struggle under the tree, really enough? An old, retired teacher who lived next door had been watching Ravi for weeks. He'd seen the boy's unwavering dedication. One evening, he approached Ravi with a kind smile. "My boy," he said, his voice gentle but firm, "remember this. A little effort, applied consistently every day, is far more powerful than talent that sits idle." Those words became Ravi's anchor. The old teacher offered to give him extra lessons, sharing his wisdom and encouraging him to never give up. The path wasn't easy. Ravi had to juggle his studies with endless household chores. He faced teasing from other children who called him the Lantern Boy. There were countless sleepless nights where his eyelids felt heavy, but his desire to learn was heavier. Yet every morning, without fail, he was back under his tree. The first rays of dawn would find him already there, reviewing lessons, solving problems, and fueling his dream. With each sunrise, his determination grew stronger, his resolve harder. Finally, the day of the big exam arrived. As Ravi walked into the examination hall, his heart pounded in his chest. A flicker of doubt tried to creep in, but then he remembered his teacher's words. He remembered the countless hours under the tree, the soft glow of his lantern, and the promise he had made to himself. He took a deep breath, cleared his mind, and focused. He tackled each question with care, the long nights of hard work guiding his hand. Weeks felt like an eternity, but then the day the results were announced came. A crowd gathered at the school notice board, and there it was, at the very top of the list, Ravi's name. The village erupted in cheers for the boy who had refused to give up. His parents' eyes filled with tears of pride, and the old teacher simply smiled, a knowing, gentle smile. In that moment, Ravi understood a profound truth. It wasn't about having the most resources or the most talent. It was about the small, consistent efforts he made every single day. Those small steps, when taken over and over again, had paved a path to his greatest success. His story teaches us all that perseverance, determination, and a little guidance can turn even the most impossible dreams into reality. So remember, no matter how small your effort feels today, keep going. It's those small steps that build mountains. Thank you for watching, and if this story inspired you, please like, share, and subscribe for more content that lights up your day.